अहिले पैसा कमाउन सुरु गर कसरी भन्ने Start earning money now. Start earning money now. किन त पैसा त धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ Money is very important. Money is very important. अझै थपौं पैसा बिना त केही हुने छैन Nothing will happen without money. Nothing will happen without money. केसको लागि पैसा चाहिन्छ सबै थोकको लागि पैसा चाहिन्छ You need money for everything. You need money for everything. यस्तो कुरा गर्दैछ तपाई बिच्चामा भन्नुहुन्छ तैन तुइको कुरा नगर Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. तर उ त अझै बोल्न थाल्यो पैसाले नै सबै कुरा नियन्त्रण गर्छ Money controls everything. Money controls everything. पैसा भन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण त केही छैन Nothing is more important than money. Nothing is more important than money. यो कुरो के हो यो नै वास्तविकता हो अथवा यो नै वास्तविक कुरा हो It is the reality अथवा this is the reality It is the reality This is the reality के तिमी आउँदै छौ अथवा के तिमी आउँदै हो भनेर सोध्नको लागि सजिलै Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you बाट सुरु हुने अझै केही प्रश्नहरूको हामी अभ्यास गरौं तिमी तयार हौ अथवा तयार छौ Are you ready? Are you ready? अब यो हेरौं है के तपाई यो सित्तैमा दिदै हुनुहुन्छ अंग्रेजीमा कसरी भन्ने Are you giving it for free? For free भनेको सित्तैमा अथवा निशुल्क Are you giving it for free? अब अर्को आउँछौ कि आउँदैनौ कसरी सोध्ने त यसलाई Are you coming or not?